quickstart tutorial. Step B. Install the companion Chrome extension. Search for A2F in the Chrome Web Store and install it. Go back to Figma. Then click the parent code in the A2F interface. Once the code is copied successfully, return to your Chrome browser, enter the parent code, and click Pair. The extension is now paired successfully. On the page you want to import, open the extension, click the Capture and Convert button and wait for it to complete. Then go back to the Figma plugin, click the Pull and Build Now button. Wait for the Figma file to be generated. And that's it. A website has been smoothly converted into an editable Figma file.